Experience convenient, professional, and efficient mobile windshield repair with True American Detailer, bringing top-quality service straight to your home or workplace for a smooth and worry-free ride, ensuring safety and customer satisfaction. Learn about the different types of windshield damages, their impact on safety and visibility, and the importance of understanding and addressing these issues for effective repair and vehicle stability. Windshield chips. Windshield chips are small damaged spots on windshields caused by debris impacts and can take various forms. If left untreated, they can lead to extensive damage and compromise the windshield's structural integrity. Windshield cracks. Windshield cracks are lines of damage extending from an impact point, which can vary in length and location, reducing visibility and posing safety risks. Immediate windshield repair is crucial for safety, cost savings, and legal compliance, as even minor chips or cracks can weaken the windshield's structural integrity, risk occupant safety, and spread quickly, potentially requiring a full replacement or resulting in legal penalties. Repairing a windshield crack involves cleaning the area, using a vacuum tool to remove air, injecting high-quality resin, hardening the resin with UV light, and polishing the surface for a seamless, strengthened repair that prevents further damage. Learn about the different types of windshield damages, their impact on safety and visibility, and the importance of understanding and addressing these issues for effective repair and vehicle stability. Remember, a clear windshield is not just about visibility, it's about safety. And at True American Detailer, your safety is our top priority. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help keep your vehicle at its best. Call 9516-277-920 or visit trueamericandetailer.com.